Welcome to the review here of the crop report, supply and demand report that has just come out. Taking a look at the market, we are selling off in soybeans and cotton. Let's take a look first at cotton. This is from the USDA. This month's cotton for 2016-17 U.S. cotton forecasts show higher production and exports relative to last month. Production has raised 271,000 bales to 17.2 million bales based on the March 9th Cotton Jennings report. The final estimate for this year's U.S. area yield and production will be published in the May 2017 crop production report. Domestic meal use is unchanged from last month, but exports are raised 500,000 bales to 13.2 million bales. The average guess had been 12.96. So the export number was definitely higher than they had thought, according to the average guess. Let's see. We've got ending stocks are lowered 300,000 bales to 4.5. The average guess for ending stocks was 4.59, so it's tighter than that. The projected range for the marketing year average price received by producers is 67 to 70 cents per pound. Let's look at the world numbers. Forecast for 2016-2017 global production is raised slightly this month due to the revision in the United States, while world consumption is virtually unchanged. Consumption is raised for Indonesia and Vietnam and reduced for Turkey and other countries. World beginning stocks are raised marginally due to higher estimated 2015-2016 production in Australia. Forecast world trade is raised slightly, with imports and exports revised for several countries based on activity to date. World ending stocks are now projected at 90.5 million bales, nearly 600,000 bales above last month. I think that's what the market is reacting to. Cotton was down 11 before this report. The U.S. numbers don't look negative, but the world numbers and those revisions have the market under some pressure. May is down 61 at 77.48. December cotton is down 54 at 74.90. So we're getting a negative reaction immediately from this. Let's look at grains. The numbers have come out. The expectation in corn for ending stocks had been, among the average guesses of analysts, was 2.32 billion bushels. The number came out at 2.32. So if that's correct, it's in line with what they thought. The soybean number, the guess was 414 million bushels. It actually came out at 435 million bushels. So a little bit of a negative surprise there for ending stocks in soybeans. Wheat was 1.129 billion bushels. The guess was 1.336. 1.136 was the average guess. So we have ending stocks slightly lower than they thought in wheat, higher than they thought in beans, and in line with what they thought in corn. Let's just look quickly at that. Soybean market was down 3 before this report. It's down 12 right now. Corn was up a half before the report. Corn's down 3. Wheat before the report was unchanged. It's down a half. So you're not getting much reaction out of wheat. You're getting a negative reaction for sure out of beans, and somewhat of a negative reaction in corn, and the cotton market is having a negative reaction also. So that's it. Those are just the numbers that have just come out, the immediate reaction of the market. We'll talk to you later. Have a good day.